Mi 11T Pro. So this is a successor of the Mi 10T Pro, which is the last year's Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 based processor based mobile. That is a Mi 10T Pro. So we can say that this is a successor of the Mi 10T Pro mobile. In this video, I will explain you what are the features of this mobile. First of all, it comes with a 6.67 inches of Full HD Plus resolution IPS LCD 144 Hz refresh rate display and protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5, not the Victus. And this mobile might come up with the Qualcomm Snapdragon Triplet Plus or Triplet processor, which is a 5G octa-core gaming processor. And this mobile also available in two variants. Mostly those are 8GB RAM 128 and 12GB RAM 256GB variants with no external memory. And this mobile also comes with a triple camera setup at the back side, which are very much improved from the older generation Mi 10T Pro. This mobile comes with a 64 megapixels of main wide angle and a 13 megapixels of secondary ultra wide, 5 megapixels of macro cameras, and a dual tone LED flash. We can shoot up to 8K 30fps for 24 fps with this mobile's back camera using the Triplet Plus processor chip technology. And this also comes with a 20 megapixels of punch hole selfie camera at the front side. And for the battery, this mobile comes with a 5000 mAh of massive battery which supports 33 watts of standard MI charge. And this mobile will be available in 3 colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below with the other videos of my channel in the description box below that like button. And when we talk about the price, this mobile might comes with a price range of 37 or 40,000 rupees. So yeah, these are about the physical overview of this mobile. When we talk about the other features, this mobile runs on Android version 12 out of the box with MIUI 12 and MIUI 13 or the latest version. And this mobile also comes with a side mounted fingerprint scanner here because of the IPS panel. And this mobile does not have a 3.5mm jack, but this mobile has that stereo speakers, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 features, which are the top of line. So this is about the Mi 11T Pro. So and this Mi 11T Pro mobile will be released on end of the August or by starting of September. So